Welcome to Inventor Camp Professor. I'm Sydney, your Inventor Camp Professor, with one of hundreds of online video tutorials available free at www.inventorcamp.com 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this session, we'll be showing you the new options we have in threading for turning. I like to create a threading operation on this edge over here. So I'll start a new operation in turning and threading. The geometry will be this edge over here, and in my modified geometry area, we'll extend the start by, say, 6 millimeters, and we'll extend the end by, say, 3 millimeters, and we'll accept that. Next, I'll choose my threading tool, and now let's go into our technology field. We have our step downs, single step, multiple steps, our long and external like we've had before. But now let's go into our data field. Now in our data field, we have our pitch unit over here and we have our minor diameter. But now we've added a new option of being able to fill these values in automatically by using a standard table. By clicking on table, I can open this up and choose, for example, metric. And I can go down and choose, for example, M50 by 2. You'll note that the values are automatically entered in the proper places, including the minor diameter and the pitch unit. Now let's continue and go into cycles now. In cycles, we've added more options of how it actually works its way into the thread. Previously, it only worked going in on the center all the way down. Now we have several options. We can work actually from the right-hand side or from the left-hand side or going in a zigzag fashion back and forth. Now let's go back to general and let's take a look now at one more option that we've added here. That's number of starts. Number of starts allows us to have more than one thread starting on the diameter itself. For example, I can say I want to have 2 starts. Now at the bottom here, we have the option of circular and linear. What exactly is circular? In the newer machines, which allows us to actually index our chuck to a specific angle, what happens is when it finishes the first thread, it'll reposition itself by turning to a specific angle that is needed to create the new thread, and then start its next thread. Now, in the older machines, where you don't have that option, we have the option here called linear. In this particular case, the tool will actually move back, reposition itself back on the z-axis in order to create that new thread. Now let's run our simulation and we'll use the turning option to show our simulation. And as you can see, our tool goes down before the start of the part itself, works its way across, and does the entire thread exactly the way we want it to be done. For more Inventor Camp Professor tutorials, please go to our website, www.inventorcamp.com, and look under the tab called Inventor Camp Professor. Thank you for joining us on Inventor Camp Professor. Take care and have a nice day.